In 2018, Bugatti shocked the automotive world, not with a faster car, but with a revolution in braking technology. They unveiled the world's first 3D-printed titanium brake caliper, developed with Laser Zentrum Nord in Hamburg. This isn't your average caliper. It's made from titanium alloy T6 Al4V, the same material used in aerospace and jet engines, chosen for its extreme strength-to-weight ratio. Built using laser additive manufacturing, 4 powerful lasers melt titanium powder layer by layer, over 2,200 layers in total, taking an incredible 45 hours to complete a single caliper. Once printed, it's heat treated for structural integrity, then precisely CNC milled for accuracy. The result? A component that's 40% lighter than aluminum, yet capable of withstanding braking pressures up to 125 bar. Forces strong enough to stop a Bugatti Chiron from 400 kilometers per hour in seconds. To prove its strength, Bugatti subjected it to brutal tests on a hydraulic rig, simulating high-speed braking with disc spinning at over 375 kilometers per hour. The caliper endured massive thermal loads, glowing from frictional heat nearing 1,000 degrees Celsius, but never failed or deformed. An amazing fact, it weighs just 2.9 kilograms yet built to tame 1,500 horsepower. This breakthrough showed that 3D printing isn't just for prototypes anymore. It's the future of high-performance engineering, where precision, strength, and art come together in pure titanium.